So I just called Bob. Bob Williams has been picking him up, so I called him. I said, Bob, we gotta come to work. He's in the picture.
Yeah, it's coming.
You have the video in there?
Yeah.
Why don't you get it while they're starting out? See it puffing away. You can always delete it, but you won't get it again.
I won't delete this.
I'll have to remember that trick. You go somewhere, take a leak, and it makes the drain go.
Well, they need a lot of water.
Yeah,
For steam.
Yeah, right. Boy, that's neat, Tom.
You don't have a camera.
Yeah, he's got it.
Oh,
on
he's
that
got it.
iPad.
Okay. I just want to get in anybody's way here. I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
You know, I don't know.
There's all kinds of people on there, but
That's a neat old car on the end there.